students, today I am going to teach you linear programming third problem. So the question is maximize z is equal to 5x plus 3y. There are two subjects. Fine. So what I have done is 3x plus 5y, instead of less than or equal to I have written only equal to sign. Here also 5x plus 2y, instead of less than or equal to I have written only equal to 10. Now x is 0 once I have taken, y I have taken 0. So when I put x equal to 0, you can see here 15 divided by 5 is 3. When I take y is equal to 0, 15 divided by 3 becomes 5. So let us substitute x and y value as a 0. So x plus x 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 5. So it is true, the lines are inside. Let us mark here 0 3 0 3 comes here, 5 0 5 0 comes here. So I'll draw a line here and inside. So in this equation x is 0. When x is 0, 10 divided by 2 is 5. I have marked here. And if y is 0, 10 divided by 5 is 2. I have marked here. So the line comes here. So again I am going to mark this, the lines inside. So this will become A, B, and this is C. Fine. Now the given question is z is equal to 5x plus 3y. When I substitute a value as a 0, 3 in place of x 0, in place of y 3. Find the 0 is 0, 3 3s are 9. Fine. Now b value, taking the values from the graph. So we will get b value as 1.5, 2.3. How? You can see here x axis you will get here 1.5 and here y axis you will get a 2.3. Put x value as a 1.5, y value as a 2.3, 5 into 1.5 is 7.5, 3 into 2.3 is 6.9, so you will get a 14.4. Finally c value is 2, 0. In place of x put 2, in place of y put 0. 5 2s are 10, 3 into 0 is 0. So the question is maximum value. So in this maximum value is b, that is z is equal to 14.4. Question number 4 is minimize z is equal to 3x plus 5y. Here also the subjects are 2. So x plus 3y is equal to 3. X plus y is equal to 2. Once I have taken x value as a 0. If I put x as 0, 3 divided by 3 becomes 1. If I put y equal to 0, then x becomes 3. Now substitute x and y value as a 0. Here greater than or equal to 3. 0 can't be equal greater than 3. So the condition is false. The lines will appear outside. Fine. Now here in this equation, x equal to 0, y becomes 2. When y is equal to 0, x becomes 2. Let us substitute x and y value as a 0, 0. So greater than or equal to 2. 0 can't be equal to 2. So the condition is false. The lines will appear outside. Now 0, 1. So 0, 1 comes here and 3, 0 comes here. So I will draw a line here. Here 0, 2. So 0, 2 I have marked here. 2, 0 I have marked here. Since both the lines are outside, the feasible region is here. So this will become A, this will become B, and this will become C. Fine. The given question is 3x plus 5y. Now a value is 0, 2. In place of x I am going to put 0 and in place of y I am going to put 2. 3 into 0 is 0, 5 2s are 10. Fine. Now b. So b from the graph if you see, you will get here 1.5 and here on the y-axis 0.5. So in place of x I am going to substitute 1.5 and in place of y I am going to substitute 0.5. If you multiply, you will get 4.5. If you multiply this, you will get 2.5. If you add, you will get a 7. C here now. C is 3, 0. In place of x I am going to substitute 3. In place of y I am going to substitute 0. 5 into 0 is 0. 3 3s are 9. Since the question is minimized, among this which is the minimum number, it is 7. So z is equal to 7 is minimized at B. Thank you.